Man shot and succumbed to his injuries while sleeping in St. Mary. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be
Welcome
right
to
back with the
Links
full details
007
to come.
TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 25-year-old man was shot and killed in St. Mary while he was sleeping early Sunday morning. Dead is Renford Scammer Dean of Itaborel, Alnatobe in the parish. Reports are that Dean and his 19-year-old girlfriend were at home sleeping around 1:50 a.m. when men reportedly entered the house. The woman was awoken by a loud explosion and found that her partner had gunshot wounds to the upper part of his body. The woman was said to have run from the house and hid in nearby bushes before calling the police. The community of Itaborel and its surroundings are under a 48-hour curfew, which began on Saturday, February 21st and will end on Monday, February 23rd. The St. Mary Criminal Investigation Branch is investigating the incident. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.